This 11 Total Parts Pro 2 2017 Ford Escape, stock number 7219. It's ran from the 9th 2016 to the 5th 2020. This is a TG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory maker tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maker tyre. Left hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory maker tyre. Right front 18-inch factory maker tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lip. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.